Are you using ChatGPT but still feel like it's just okay? The truth is, you've probably tapped into just 1% of its real power. This is Next Gen AI Lab, where you'll learn to use AI like a pro to save hours every week, boost productivity, and even make money online. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT the right way. Easy to follow, practical, even if you're a total beginner. And if you stick around till the end, you'll discover a power move that 90% of users have no idea about. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can stay ahead in the AI game. Okay, before we dive into all the cool things you can do with ChatGPT, let me show you how to get started. There are two ways, and they're pretty simple. Method 1. For those who are familiar with Google, open your browser and then type the keyword ChatGPT into the Google search bar. The results will show up with a lot of information, but you just need to find the one with the address chatgpt.com and click on it. That's it. Method 2. Go directly. No need to search. In the browser's address bar, just type chat.openai.com and press enter. You'll be taken straight to the login page or main interface of ChatGPT. Very fast, very neat. If you're new here, just click Sign up for free. You can use your email, Google, Microsoft, Apple account, or even your phone. Whatever works best for you. Once you've chosen your method, click Continue. You'll then be taken straight to the ChatGPT homepage. It's super simple. Just so you know, I'm using the free version of GPT 3.5 in this video. No paid plans required, and honestly, it's more than enough to do some pretty cool stuff. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see your chat history on the left. Every time you start a new chat, it's saved separately. Like texting different friends about different topics, neat and organized. Okay, I have ChatGPT open right on my screen. Now, let me show you 10 super useful commands that you can try today. Let's get started. ChatGPT isn't just for answering questions. It can pretend to be anyone you want. A coach, a therapist, a job interviewer, even Iron Man. Seriously. Example. Say, pretend you're a therapist. Ask me 5 questions to understand my current stress. It'll start a full conversation like a real expert would. It's like having a role-play partner who never sleeps. Perfect for learning, self-improvement, or just exploring ideas from a new angle. ChatGPT can analyze how you write and then mimic your style like a pro. Example, just say, rewrite this paragraph like Elon Musk would say it. It adapts to any voice or tone, friendly, formal, funny, dramatic. Perfect if you're building a personal brand, writing for social media, or just want your content to sound more like you. Are you trying to decide between 2 options? Just ask. Tell me the pros and cons of working remotely versus working in an office. It will tell you both sides clearly, and you can say things like more focus on productivity or personalization. Need a video script? Just ask. ChatGPT can write punchy, platform-ready scripts in seconds, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. Example. Make a short YouTube intro for an AI video editing tool. It nails the tone, keeps it tight, and saves you a ton of time, especially if you're a creator, marketer, or freelancer. This is a big one. ChatGPT can really help guide your career or business idea. For example, I'm 22, just graduated, and want to start a service business. I have $1,000. I like photography and websites. Any ideas? It will give you a business idea, a name, steps to get started, and you can continue asking follow-up questions like, which website builder should I use? Or, how do I find my first client? Basically, it's like having a personal mentor, someone who's incredibly smart, always available, and never judgmental. What you saw today is just the tip of the iceberg. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the powerful AI tricks coming up next. Some of them will make you say, why didn't I know this sooner?